Good morning, my beautiful friends. How are you today? Welcome to Transformation Tuesday. Before we go too far, I want to show you the coffee cup I chose this morning and explain why this is the one for me today. It is a lightning bolt. It's a surge of energy. It is completely fitting for an overcast day, a day that you just want to linger in bed, right? You guys have known me for a while now. When have I lingered in bed? Okay, I linger every once in a while. I will skip a morning workout to linger. And it's been a busy weekend, so I did linger this morning. Woo, woo. That's okay. Here's the thing. On Transformation Tuesday, I want to talk to you a little bit about when thoughts become things and how sometimes change seems like it is an overnight action that you've stepped into, or something that all of a sudden you made a decision to do, and all of a sudden it's like, wow, you're stepping into this action and it seems so new and out of the blue. But in fact, it's like a baby in gestation when you're pregnant. You have been mulling over this change for a very long time. You've been working on making some changes in your life, or you've recognized what you don't want anymore, what no longer serves you. So now that you've identified what you don't want, you're starting to lean into what you do want, and you're going through the thought process. And that thought process can take days, months, years, whatever it looks like. Change is never as sudden as we think. We are typically mulling over it one way or another. Now, I know there are some big things that happen in life, and that's not what I'm talking about here. There are a few things out of our control in life. Other people's actions will have a circumstance and land on us depending on who they are. Take those examples aside. I could talk about those examples on a different day, but that's not what today is about. Today is about, that sudden desire to eat healthier, or when you go to the doctor and the doctor is telling you that you have to make a change or else there will be health consequences, or all of a sudden the jeans in your pants just don't do up. Lucky for me, they did up yesterday, no problem. First time I've worn jeans in quite a while, actually, was the last couple days. And it feels good. So yeah, why did I skip my morning workout? Because my body needed to rest. My mind needed to rest. I'm doing my workshop this week. I know what my body needed. And when we slow down enough, and we can be full of energy and still slow down, but when you slow down enough to recognize what your body needs, to give yourself that jolt of lightning right here, it's well worth it. Make it a great day, friends.